Hey, what is up, guys? John here at TEMU. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Mokin 10,000 milliamp portable power bank. All right, so just a heads up, Mokin did send these out to me to try out. So big shout out to them for doing that. It's very much appreciated. But as always, this is an independent review. They had no part in the making of this video. So guys, in this video, we're gonna unbox these. We're gonna see what we get inside the box. We're gonna try it out and I'll let you know what I think of it. All right guys, so this is the box they come in. We've got some Mokin branding up top. And then we've got some like USB dongles here on the side. Things that I think Mokin sells. And yeah, on the side, more of that stuff. And on this side, we've got the model number, 10,000 milliamp portable power bank. So let's open this up and we'll see what we get inside. All right, inside the box, we've got the user guide. Put that off to the side. And this is the portable power bank. So here we go, guys. It's not too big. It's here it is compared to my iPhone. So it's pretty compact. It's got some heft to it though. We've got a little lanyard here. Very cool. We've got some Mokin branding. It looks like it can charge at 30 watts. So it's a hard plastic, kind of matte black. And this is the USB-C cable here. Very cool. And then we've got, wait. You know what? I thought this was a lanyard, but it's actually USB-C cable. Very nice. I like that. So we got USB-C cable, and then on this side, we've got your lightning cable. So very cool there. So you can charge USB-C and lightning. And, oh, sweet. On this side, we actually got a USB-A port and a USB-C port. So if you have your own cable, you can plug that into here and use that to charge up your devices. So very, very nice. I like that. It's got some heft. I like that. It feels quality in hand, guys. So let's turn it on and let's see how much power we've got in here from the factory. So up top is your power button. And we've got a little LCD screen right there. I don't know if the camera's going to catch that, but it says we're at 72%. Right there, 72%. I got my iPhone here. Let's plug in the iPhone. I'm still rocking the 14 Pro. And there you have it. It's charging. We're at 81%, 72% on here. So yeah, man, it's charging up. So we've got Galaxy S25, bam. There we have it, it's charging. And there's a little green icon. When I was charging up the iPhone, that did not pop up. That might be like a turbocharge, or when it's charging faster than, I don't know how fast the 14 Pro charges, like 18 watts maybe. But that little green icon right there wasn't lit up when I was charging the iPhone. So it looks like Lightning can charge up at 20 watts max, and USB-C can charge up to 30 watts max. So yeah, that icon, the green icon, is for fast charging. So yeah, man. So it automatically hits the fast charging speeds when it's plugged into the S25. So yeah, man, there you have it. This is the unboxing of the Mokin 30-watt, 10,000 milliamp portable charger. So I'll go ahead and continue to use this, guys, and I'll see how quickly it can charge up the phones from 0 to 100. And I'll leave the info in the comments. But so far, man, I think the build quality is nice on this thing. It offers 30-watt charging like it says, and 15 watts for the iPhones. That's not USB-C, so I assume with the 15s and higher with USB-C, you should be able to see the full 30 watts. All right, guys, so this thing is coming in at right around 30 bucks, but I think it's on sale for actually $19.99. So not bad. I think it's really versatile that you being able to charge USB-C and Lightning. And then you also have those side ports. So if you have your own cable, you can plug in a USB-A and a USB-C. So that's really cool. And again, for that price, at that price point, it's not going to break the bank. It does what it says it can do. So I think it's a pickup if you are looking for a portable charger. Yeah, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you again for hanging out with me today. It's very much appreciated. And as always, I'm John at TEMU Go. I'll see you on the next one.